Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this galaxy.
Alright, the question of the day is, what is the sun hugger planet?
Alright, let's go through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, phthalo green, Quinn blue, phthalo blue, Van Dyke brown, nickel azo, primary yellow, Quinn red, pearly red. Let's get the party started. Alright, we just finished the first layer. We've added in kind of a reddish purple top and bottom. It works its way into purple, and then it slowly transitions into a blue and then a light blue in the center, and then we've added our stars. We have the highest density in the middle to make it feel like a cluster of galaxies. Some of these are a little bit too big, so we'll have to tone those down in later layers, and yeah, we'll see where it goes in the next layer. Alright, for this layer we're going to create gaseous forms as well as dark spots, because the sky isn't evenly coated with stars. There's really some darkness and then there's light, so you got to create those kind of in and out with the gases. Alright, for this layer we kind of flatten it out, so now we're going to add depth again. We're going to darken the corners and bring back the intensity to the middle. Alright, for this painting we need to kind of darken in these corners, pull that space in a little tighter. The center is pretty good, but we'll probably add a little more color on this to make a little more variation in the color from the purple and the blues.
So the sun hugger planet is 3,900 light years away, so obviously not reachable with our current technology, probably 1,000 years out. But if we ever get there, it's 8 times density of the Earth. But the really interesting part is it actually travels around its own sun in 2.2 hours. So you accumulate a ridiculous amount of years, you know, based on the traveling around that sun in a short amount of time. So I think it's like 11,000 years there would be used but one of our solar years. So obviously it's the same time frame, but a year counts as going around the sun once, right? So that's sun hugger planet.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this has a kind of a nice purples with black for the space, as well as kind of a gold orange center. I think it looks pretty good. There is a little spot of white off to the side, so a little bit of imperfection. I probably should have coated that black and then just painted it over, but I just decided to leave it in there. Overall, I think it works pretty well. We'll see how it dries. Usually the colors will be a little more clear after this dries. Right now it's pretty dry to touch, I think. Yeah, so it's more or less where it's going to be. Overall, I think it's a pretty good galaxy. Hopefully you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.